Judging from that little of laugh sign in the background, you're probably thinking that I'm not a very interesting person and that you'll be a little bored for the next 5 minutes. But bear with me, because what I'm about to say is important for all to know. A few months back, I talked to some people and I asked them how they would define feminism and if they had seen any real life examples of pseudo feminism. One of them told me how they felt about feminism in today's world. They said, and I quote, "This wave of feminism is fake. People do it for the hype and like to jump on the bandwagon of people who do stuff in the name of promoting feminism, most of which is wrong." This isn't the first person I've met who feels like this. Society sees feminism as a dirty word created by angry women. This is mostly due to this wave of pseudo-feminism that we're seeing. Let's take another example. Unless you've been living under a rock, you might have seen a video by a girl named Divyangana Trivedi doing rounds on social media. My feed was filled with videos either in support of her or against her. In her video, she explains why she is against feminism and how it is propagated. The problem, however, with that video was that she seemed to be confusing misandry with feminism. A lot of people do actually. Misandry means outright prejudice against men. Feminism aims to achieve equality of the sexes. In no way are these two the same thing, despite what many may think. Misandry is far from feminism, but it is a feature of pseudo-feminism. Pseudo-feminism is saying that women deserve more respect or that people of other genders deserve no respect. It is a concept centered on superiority. It wants a new world order which is run by women and men are dominated by them. It does not acknowledge men's rights and claims all men to be misogynist or toxic. Pseudo-feminists wish to correct all the injustices done to women, but in the wrong way, mostly by lashing out at men. Feminism advocates equality, not superiority. Another argument I've always seen people putting forward is, why is it feminism? If we talk about equality, why is it not humanism or equalism? Just because there's fem in feminism does not mean that we are claiming to be superior. The movement originally focused on advancing the status of women. The term was derived from the suffrage movement in the 1900s, with women fighting for their right to vote. Since this was a problem only hurting women, the name made sense. Sure, today we know that there are so many other forms and groups being oppressed. So yes, the term has stuck, but the goals have evolved. We focus so much on the language that we end up dismissing the real substance. And by the way, humanism is an entirely different concept. Humanism is a rationalist outlook that attaches prime importance to human rather than supernatural elements. It is a Renaissance cultural movement and has no relation to the concept of equality between sexes. Yes, pseudo-feminism is a real problem. Some people have misunderstood the movement, but those people cannot represent this movement that has been evolving for centuries and still is. Now, we all remember Nirbhaya. It was one of the darkest hours in our country's history. A week after it, a committee was set up, headed by Justice Verma, to suggest amendments to the criminal law to provide for quicker trial and a bunch of other changes. A month later, the committee submitted their report. Among the proposed changes, one was the inclusion of men, homosexual people, and transgender people under the provisions of the domestic violence law. This decision was the result of many women's social action groups, which had been advocating the cause of gender justice for decades. This is just one example of the fact that all women fighting for equality, also known as feminists, do not necessarily hate all men. Feminism is not about men versus women. It is about all genders versus patriarchy. And to successfully defeat patriarchy, and along with it misandry and pseudo-feminism, we need to understand the concept. Research, have difficult conversations, inform yourselves, ask questions, call out people when you know they're wrong in their actions. We as a society collectively have to be a part of the movement. Stop hating on all of feminism because you met a few who have wrongly interpreted it, and start educating yourselves if you really want to support the cause. Because no amount of pseudo-feminists can bend the truth about feminism.